Welcome to IELTS Coaching Dwarka. My name is Rajan Kataria. I am IELTS trainer certified from British Council. In this presentation, we are going to understand the format of IELTS exam. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. This test is the world's most popular high-stakes English language test for study, work, and migration. IELTS assesses reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Categories of IELTS: General, Academic. General IELTS for PR and jobs, whereas Academic IELTS is for studies. Receptive skills are listening and reading. On the other hand, productive skills are writing and speaking. IELTS listening test format. The listening module takes about 30 minutes to complete. At the end, candidates are allowed 10 minutes to transfer their answers to an answer sheet. The listening module is the same for both the academic and general training versions of the test. There are 4 sections, each with 10 questions. Each section has one or more of the various task types. The test gets progressively more difficult. All the instructions are printed on the question booklet. IELTS reading test format. The reading module takes 1 hour to complete. All the end, there is no extra time to transfer answers to the answer sheet. The reading module is the different for the academic and general training versions of the test. Task types are the same for academic and general training, but the test format and content is a little different for both the academic and general training versions of the test. There are 3 sections with a total of 40 questions in all. Each section has one or more of the various task types. All the instructions are printed on the question booklet. IELTS writing test format. The writing module takes 1 hour to complete. The format is same for the academic and general training versions of the test, but the task types are different. There are 2 tasks to complete, task 1 and task 2. The tasks are different for the academic and general training versions of the test as outlined in the table below. For journal training, task 1, there is one letter supposed to write 150 words. On the other hand, Academic writing task 1, report 150 words. General training task 2, essay writing 250 words. On the other hand, academic writing task 2, 250 words essay. IELTS speaking test format. The speaking module lasts for 11 to 14 minutes and consists of an introduction section plus 3 parts. The speaking module is the same for both the academic and general versions of the test. Introduction. Timing 30 seconds. Content, name, nationality, ID check. Part 1 interview 4 to 5 minutes. 2 or 3 unrelated short simple conversations about your personal preferences or experiences. Part 2 long turn 3 to 4 minutes. 1 minute of preparation time. 1 to 2 minute talk on the topic which draws on your personal experiences. There may be 1 or 2 follow-up questions. Part 3 discussion. Timing 4 to 5 minutes. Content, a more detailed discussions related to the topic of the long turn in the part 2. At the end, our institute address is IELTS Coaching Dwarka, E521, 3rd floor, Ramphal Chowk, Dwarka, Sector 7, New Delhi 110075. Contact number is 9871989913. We have both the classes options available: online classes via Skype and Zoom, and offline classes to the center. Thank you.